Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make sunflower microgreens. They're very healthy and easy to grow. Soak your seeds overnight. But after they've been soaking overnight, you can drain and rinse them. Fill a container with soil. I'm using like a junk container that would have gone in the bin, but you can use like any container you find. Really. Sprinkle the seeds evenly on top. Water them twice a day and keep them in the cupboard. They need to stay in the dark to keep them growing. Root tips are starting to poke out. The roots are going longer. The leaves are starting to break out of their shell. Leaves are fully visible. They've turned green in the sunshine. These have been grown for 8 days. They're as long as 12 centimeters and they're ready to harvest. Washed and cut, we're gonna make a simple salad. Let's get started. Now add your sunflower microgreens. Then we're gonna get the cookies in. Cut cookies. I got loads of carrots, shredded carrots. All of them. Squeeze half a lemon. A tablespoon of tahini. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of mustard. Tablespoon of maple syrup. Salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle of salt. Stir till combined. Add your dressing into your salad. Now mix. Now you can enjoy your sunflower microgreens. A little sunflower. Cut a big hole, see. Make it kind of sunflower sprout. I'm gonna pop it in. And we get this toothpick. Push it in. Push, 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 push. I'm gonna fill it over. It's about 100 days to grow a sunflower. It's best to plant in the late spring. I repotted my sunflower. It didn't happen. Tallest sunflower ever grown was over 9 meters. Wow, that's tall. I'm gonna replant my sunflower. Let's start digging. Keep growing, little plant. Later and a flower's opened. Letting it grow to this big. Isn't it crazy? From one seed you can grow that big of a sunflower. And from one sunflower, grow a whole field of sunflowers.